Okay, y'all, it's your girl Bahamianunicorn back with another video. And this video is on the controversial, infamous, so-called scamming babebox by FOCALLURE. Okay, so my backstory with FOCALLURE, whatever, however you pronounce it. My backstory with babebox. So, I I kept on, if you use social media, Instagram, Facebook, whatever, you would see lately that it's been a lot of advertisements for the paid boxes, and I'm always looking for the next best subscription box. So after seeing it for, oh, my back is itching. After seeing it for some weeks, I said, you know what? They say you get the first box free. Let me just do it. And you get every other box is $29 a month, I believe. I placed my order on February 6th. And then I went on Facebook and I saw it, and this was the first time I actually went and read comments. So I paid through PayPal, of course, because I knew I wanted to know that if anything was to happen, I could easily cancel it and get my money back, and the people wouldn't have my credit card information. So I went on Facebook, and that's when I saw things like this. Insert bad reviews, blah blah blah. Oh, I'm like, oh my god, I just paid for this thing, but only thing, the shipping was, you just paid for shipping was $6 and something cents, so let's say roughly $7. So I was like, okay, they then got $7 out of me. I'm not gonna let them charge my card for $29 because I already have 5 other subscription boxes. This time I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna go on my PayPal and I'm going to end the automatic payments, which is the good thing about paying through PayPal. And I did that. So now it's the 6th of February. I did all that on the, let's say about 7th to 8th. And now I'm waiting on a tracking number because they already sent me my confirmation or whatever. And they say tracking info would be updated between 24 to 48 hours. Okay. The 6th it wasn't updated. The 7th it wasn't updated. It's now the 8th. And it's still not updated. And then it's the 9th. Still not updated. So I waited because I know some people said they were in China and different other things, that they were Chinese products from AliExpress and all that good stuff. So now I'm like, okay, maybe it's gonna take a little while because it's coming from China. When I look, it was a US based thing, so I'm like, okay, hold on, it's the 18th now, the 17th or the 18th. I'll have an insert of what I sent to them. I sent them basically saying that, okay, if you don't, mind you, I've already canceled my auto renew. I'm like, listen, if you don't send my tracking number, I am basically going to cancel my subscription. I haven't gotten anything for the past 18 days, 17 to 18 days, all this time waiting. And magically, on the 20th, I could get an email saying, oh, your order has shipped. So I'm like, okay, it's the 20th and my order is actually at the address. It didn't send me a tracking number to track anything. It's just like, okay, your order has shipped. It's there at my US address. And this is it. I've already opened it because this is the look that I did. I did the eye look with it. This is the babe box here. It says, hey babe, I'm finally home. Yeah, finally. Everything that came in the box. It has some eye mask. This is how it looks. It's a pack of 3. Then I got this, which I was very interested in trying because I wanted one of these a little while. These are the brush cleaners that you stick in the face bowl, and then you just do the brush like this, clean the brush on it. So that was this. Then I got a magic eyeliner and seal eyeliner. The next side. Okay, the next side is the stump. I already have one of these. Not this brand, but I already have one of these. I have a bright and white teeth whitening pan, which is this. This is how it is. I've seen these online. Oh, okay. And then the last thing, the Tropical Vacation eyeshadow palette. Keep in mind that this box is $29 a month, but this is how the actual palette look. It says Tropical Vacation, so I was more expecting bright colors, pinks, yellows, stuff like that. But again, it's the typical eyeshadow, a lot of nudes and stuff like that. And it came with a brush, which is surprisingly a decent brush. So I used only the brush for my eyeshadow look. What I swatched just now, and there are the shimmers to shim, as you can see. Not the best, not the worst. My final thoughts about FOCALLURE Beauty. The items that I used, I've not used the mask, the eye mask, and I haven't used the teeth whitening because I don't need it. But okay, the eyeshadow palette is decent, and the liquid liner is very nice. I really like it. It works. Both products work. Now, is everything in this worth $29 a month? No, because I know for sure I can get this online for like $1 or something like that. Pretty sure that this is a 3-pack. I can get this online for $5 the most. Same as the liquid liner. I feel like nothing in this box is worth more than $15. This comes from their brand. I felt like I've seen this someplace on either Amazon or AliExpress, but I'm gonna double check. Personally, I don't think it's worth $29 because I can get BoxyCharm for $21 with full-size products and more beauty-related products that are from brands I know and reputable brands. I wouldn't pay no more than $10, $15 for this box. And I feel like they should be honest and stop trying to get other people and scam people, because it's still scamming. Because you're saying your stuff is worth X, Y, and Z when you know it's not. You know on AliExpress I could get these in bundles. You don't do that. Do not do that. So yeah, is it worth it? No. Is it trash? Price-wise, yes. Could you use the stuff in it? Yeah, but I personally wouldn't waste my time on it. Then if you use your credit card with a PayPal, you'll be locked in a contract, because you have to pay for the shipping of the first box being free, and then you have to pay for the next box. I didn't pay for the next box because I cut my auto renew when I found out about the scamming possibility, and then it's still a possibility you not getting your box. And then when you do that, you can't cancel your subscription yourself. Like how I could have canceled my auto renew. No, if you use your credit card, you have to email them for them to cancel your subscription. So it's still a possibility that they would never cancel your subscription, and then you would have to go to your bank and do all of that. So it's not worth it. $29 a month just for a free box. Just for a free box is not worth it.